Back pain can make even simple tasks feel impossible, but relief is within reach. At Cache Valley Hospital, our expert spine surgical team specializes in advanced procedures like decompression and laminectomy to help you move freely again. We understand how debilitating back pain can be. That's why we use advanced techniques to relieve pressure on nerves and improve mobility.
Decompression and laminectomy surgery are designed to remove pressure on the spinal cord and nerves. By carefully removing small portions of bone or tissue, we create space for your nerves to function properly.
This procedure is recommended for people with spinal stenosis or pressure on nerves that hasn't responded to other treatments. Our goal is to restore your mobility and improve your quality of life.
At Cache Valley Hospital, we use minimally invasive techniques whenever possible, leading to smaller incisions, less pain, and faster recovery, getting you back to the activities of life.
Every patient is different, which is why we take the time to develop a personalized treatment plan that will fit your unique needs.
From consultation to recovery, we're here to guide you every step of the way.
If back pain is keeping you from the life you want to live, we're here to help.
Visit our website to learn more on decompression and laminectomy surgery and how to connect with a physician.